Hi sewing friends, it's Alice Murray with Murr-Made Designs, and you are joining me on day 75 of 365 days of sewing makes. That is right, for 75 days you have heard me just say, hi sewing friends. And today I want to show you this little dress. It is McCalls 7432, and this is a great pattern. I think I showed you a version with a V-neck in black and white, and you can make it with long sleeves, 3/4 length sleeves, short sleeves, no sleeves, and it has kind of a nice full skirt. It's very simple. There's no darts. Very simple dress, but a very flattering cut. It's kind of got a nice swishy skirt. Give you a twirl. You can see I made mine with a short sleeves. And the round neck, I finished it with purchase bias binding, and actually I think I kind of did kind of a sloppy job of it. But I love the material. It's quite a heavy knit. Heavy knits are way easier to sew with than flimsy ones. I got it in the discount area of Fabricland, and I just love the color of this. The white with the blue. I just thought that was a very kind of classic look. Give you one more twirl. It definitely has nice weight for twirling. And this is, I think, a dress you could dress up or dress down. The belt or a sweater or jacket. It's very, very pretty casual dress. You could also just wear you know, just in the summertime if you're going out and about. And my grateful thread today is I actually made this dress for a family occasion, and it was, you know, not a happy family occasion. And but when I wear this dress, it reminds me of the people that in my family that I was with. And that is something I am grateful about clothing, is you know, it's really you know, part of our lives, you know, that you know, the clothes we wear at different events, you know, the garments tell a story. They definitely tell a story. So I'm grateful for that just like you know, hearing music that reminds us of different places and times in our life, clothing can also remind us of different events in our lives and just kind of help keep those memories alive. So I'm grateful for that. So I'm going to give you one more twirl. And I hope that you are sewing, because sewing, say it with me, sewing is so much fun.